Okay, this is lesson 20, creditor days and debtors days, and this is part of efficiency, and I'm going to have a look at two efficiency ratios here. Now, one of the ways in which you can measure efficiency is how long it takes a company to collect its debts, and also how long it takes a company to pay its bills. Okay, so first of all, we're going to look at payables or creditor days, and this is how long it takes a company to pay its bills. Now, the equation is payables or creditors. That will be on the exam paper for you, divided by cost of sales. That will come from the income statement times 365. So say you owe £10 million and your cost of sales is 20 million. That obviously comes out as 0.5 times 365, 182.5 days. Now that may sound as quite good because it's taking 182.5 days to pay all of your bills on average. However, if your suppliers only normally give 90 days, then they're going to be pretty angry with you for taking such a long period of time. If it was 30 days, they're not going to be happy at all. And that may upset your suppliers. I do know of a lot of businesses who just pay in cash all the time. So as soon as a delivery is made, they pay in cash. That keeps their suppliers far happier. Or you can have an agreement that you give 90 days trade credit, for example. Debtor days is how long it takes the firm to collect its debts. Now in this case, it's debtors divided by sales, or receivables divided by sales. Receivables and debtors mean the same thing, times 365. So if you owe £20 million, your turnover is, or your sales turnover is £200 million, then in this case it's 36.5 days. So it takes you 36.5 days to collect your debts. Normally we go with, it should take you about 30 days on average. So maybe this is a little bit too long and this will hit your cash flow. But you should also compare this to your creditor days. And if you're getting money in much more quickly, right, but your creditor days is much bigger, so here it's that and that is that, then clearly that is going to improve your cash flow. But you really have to look at the situation that the firm is in. You don't want too many debtors. You don't want the debtors days to be too long because they could turn into bad debts. And at the same time, you don't want to annoy your suppliers either. Okay, two efficiency ratios. Now